Close your eyes for just a moment. Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing a notification that you made $400 while sleeping. Feels good, right? Now open your eyes, because I'm about to show you how I make $200 a day with zero upfront investment, and how a secret strategy can double your results while making the process 10 times easier. You've probably heard of affiliate marketing, blogging, print on demand, and even website flipping. Maybe you've tried them with little to no success. But the truth is, it's not the method, it's the system that powers it. I'm going to show you 4 methods and one powerful strategy that connects them all. Let's start with affiliate marketing. It's simple. Promote a product using a special link, and when someone buys through that link, you get paid. You can join affiliate programs for free, Amazon, ClickBank, PartnerStack, and more. Imagine promoting a $1,500 laptop on Amazon and earning $45 per sale. Just one sale a day could bring in $1,350 a month. But here's where most people go wrong. They drop affiliate links everywhere and hope someone buys. When they don't, you lose them forever. The secret? Use Leadpages, a tool that turns clicks into leads, and leads into cash. Instead of linking directly to a product, send people to a landing page built with Leadpages. Capture their email with a free offer, like a mini ebook made using ChatGPT. Then follow up with automated emails connected through tools like MailChimp. Now you're not just selling, you're building a system that keeps working even when you're not. Next is blogging. Most people start with no SEO, no traffic, no income. But with tools like SEOWriting.ai, you can create optimized blog posts in minutes, complete with images and YouTube videos. Use that same secret system, Leadpages, to collect leads, add pop-ups, and link your blogs in your social bios. Monetize through affiliate links or even simple ad revenue. 2 affiliate sales and a bit of traffic? That's easily $150 a day. Method 3. Print on demand. You don't need inventory, just creativity. Use ChatGPT to generate witty text designs, and platforms like Kittl or Canva to create them. Upload your designs to products like mugs and tote bags through Printify. But instead of waiting for sales, build a Leadpages storefront to showcase your best sellers. Promote it using Pinterest and Instagram. Sell 10 items a day at $40 each, and that's $400 in your pocket. Finally, website flipping. You don't need to be a developer. Use ChatGPT to come up with domain ideas. Use Leadpages to build a quick, professional site. Then list it for sale on Flippa or similar platforms. If one site sells for $300, and you scale to 2 sales a day, that's $600 daily. Sites are selling every day, and with the right system, you can get your share. All these methods work, but when you combine them with Leadpages, you're not just hustling, you're building. Try it free for 14 days using my link below. It's time to turn those dreams into daily income. Walk good, flip your work, and build your name. Let's get it.